In this student challenge, you have to write down property methods and the constructors of a class cylinder. Already you have learned about properties and constructors in previous videos. If you did not watch them, please watch the videos on data hiding, properties and constructors. So let me explain what you are supposed to do in this challenge. You have to write a class for cylinder. In the same class, you have to achieve data hiding. So there are two properties of a class cylinder, that is a radius of a cylinder. Like this is a cylinder shape, right? So in this cylinder shape, this is a circular base, so it will have its radius, and the top also will have radius, and this is height, radius and height. Now for these methods, you have to write property methods. So what are property methods? Get and set methods, get methods and set methods. So let us decide what are the get methods we have to write. Come on, think of it, and if possible, do some work, okay, and find out what is the method, that is get method, you have to write. What are the methods? You got this? Yes. First one is get radius. R should be in capital, though the property name is in small letters, right? But when you write any method, then the first letter is small, then the next word onwards, every word's first letter is capital. So get radius, this should return the value of radius. You have to write on this method. It's a simple method, and this is going to be public, as you have to make these properties as private. So both of them you will declare them as private. Now come to the next method, get method. The next get method is get height. These are the two methods. Now what are the set methods and what they will do? Now you work along with me, start thinking and start guessing, okay? So then finally I will write the method and explain you. What are the set methods we require? See, first set method is set radius, okay? Then what should be the parameter? It should take a radius. So it depends on the data type that you are selecting for radius and height. The same data type you should take here. So let us take the data type as integer. So integer r. Then this should assign this r to this radius, and make sure that, listen carefully, make sure that this is not negative, right? This should be positive. So if it is negative, you set it as 0. If it is positive, then set the same value. Then same way, you should have one more method, that is set height. Now depending on that data type of a height, you should take a parameter h. Then here also it should check whether it is positive or negative. If it is negative, then assign height as 0. So these are the property methods that you have to write down, 4 methods. See, both the properties, radius and height, like get radius, set radius, get height, set height. So these are read writable. These properties are for reading purpose and these are for writing purpose. So they are read writable. Is there any possibility that one more set method is possible? Let us take set dimensions. Set dimensions. What it can do? It can take both radius and height. So you can write one more method, set dimensions. Now next, let us write constructors. First of all, the constructor name will be same as the class name. Now first constructor is non-parameterized, which doesn't take any parameters. Then what will be the radius and height of this cylinder? You have to set them as 0, 0. So write down this constructor. The next constructor we can write down, one more, that is, it will take just radius. What about height? It will make it as 1. Don't make it as 0, because some radius is given, so at least we should get some value. We should not get 0. So make the height as 1. Then last, one more constructor, that is cylinder, which will take both radius and height. So 3 constructors are possible, so I have written 3 constructor. If any more possible, you can suggest and we can write on that constructor. That's it, 3 are possible. See, in this challenge, I have directly written the constructors and some of the methods. But in the next challenge, I'll just give you the properties and all. You have to think and get the answer. Then I will be helping you. All right. So for this, you write down a class containing all these two properties and these property methods and a constructor. So that's all in this video. In the attachment, you can find out in the resources, you can find out this class. You can verify your results with this class.